let's go.
Platform engaging. Clear the discharge area. We are approaching full tilt.
down to the loading area now. Bring it back slow, clear on the right.
Copy that. Coming in now.
This is the best sandwich ever.
I think I'll have one too.
Everything organized today? Yes, almost done here. Great facility.
Keep the feet steady on line 3. Roger that, adjusting now.
Confirming feed rate. Silo 5 is accepting the load.
Copy that. Maintaining speed. To the next jar.
It's great knowing these will be recycled right here.
Cheers to that.
Looks good. Did you get the invoice signed at the truck?